Hey everyone! Hey! Today we're diving into one of the coolest tools in the Delaverse playground, the Google Docs node. It's like giving your AI agents a direct line to your Google Docs, making it super easy to pull in important info or save out amazing creations. This node is a game changer for anyone building workflows because it lets you import brand guidelines, SEO tips, or any key instructions right into your AI setups. Or export those AI-generated reports and social posts straight to your docs for easy sharing and collaboration. No more copying and pasting. Everything flows smoothly, saving you time and keeping your team in sync. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to your Delaverse Playground dashboard, and from the menu on the side, look for the Google Docs node. Just drag and drop it onto your canvas. Give it a fun name like My Brand Guide or Report Saver, and hit Save to lock it in. Let's break down what makes this node so powerful. First up, you'll handle the authentication. Click on the node, sign in with your Google account, and give Delaverse the green light to read or write docs. If you don't have a doc ready, create one on the spot. Next, pick your operation. Go with Read to grab content from your docs. Perfect for feeding guidelines to your AI. Or Write to push new content out, like saving an AI-crafted campaign. Set the content format to plain text for simplicity, or formatted if you want to keep those bold headers and lists looking sharp. Don't forget to add a quick description to remind yourself what's inside. You can even define sections within your doc, like Introduction or Key Rules, to organize things neatly. For importing, pop in your brand voice details. Think, keep it friendly with emojis and always end with a call to action. For exporting, start with a blank template and let your AI fill it up. To make the magic happen, connect it to your AI assistant node using the function call node. This way, your AI can dynamically read or write as needed. Watch the real-time sync in action. This node doesn't have built-in dashboards. It shines in tracking your workflow efficiency. You'll see updates happening live, so you can monitor how your docs are feeding into AI responses or capturing outputs, ensuring everything stays current without extra effort. The real payoff? Streamline your creative processes to focus more on ideas and less on logistics. Collaborate effortlessly with your team through Google Workspace sharing. Imagine your AI generating content that auto-saves to a shared doc, ready for feedback and approval. It's all about boosting productivity and making your workflows feel effortless. For those wanting to level up, pro tip: structure your docs with clear headings from the start. It helps your AI understand and generate better. Set sharing permissions wisely so your team can jump in without hiccups. Use templates for exports to keep everything consistent. And define sections early to guide what your AI pulls or pushes. When connecting, always test the flow to confirm smooth data movement. Head to your node settings and run a quick preview. In the end, the Google Docs node empowers you to blend AI smarts with your favorite docs tool, bringing transparency and ease to every project. Whether you're importing rules for consistent branding or exporting insights for the team, you'll work smarter and collaborate better. Give it a try in the playground today and supercharge your Delaverse experience.